Hi Camille. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. So, are you ready for tomorrow's English test? Oh no. I forgot it. It's about can, could and be able to. Please, can you explain the difference to me? Yes, of course. Can and could are modal verbs, so they are the same for all persons. We use can for the present and to express someone's ability. For example, I can speak English because I'm from the UK. Then we use could to talk about past possibility or ability and to make requests. For example, I could swim when I was 5 years old, or could you send me a catalog, please? And be able to is not a modal verb and sometimes we use it instead of can and could. We use it to talk about ability. We can use to be able in all tenses, like I will be able to speak Chinese next year, as I am studying it, or I was not able to go out last month because of coronavirus. So that's it. Thank you, Camille. I got it. I hope you will pass the test. If I pass it, it will be only thanks to you.